Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxy Charm Premium. So this roughly comes to, I think like this month, might have been last month. So it comes around anywhere from like $53 to $55 a month for it. So I do think like Canadian. So I do think for the products that you're getting, like it's pretty good value. So my first one is a Morphe palette with Manny MUA, makeup artist. So I think they're nice colors. So I will definitely have to give this a try. I feel like, I don't know how I feel about Morphe. Because I still feel like, so this is $20 American, so maybe that's like a little bit better price than kind of the upsell in Canada, because this would probably be about like a $30 palette in Canada, if not more. And that I'm just not sure about. Like Morphe does a lot of collabs, and I'm not sure how great they all are. But I'm excited to try that palette out, so I'll do another video on that from like Kenna Oakdafairs Beauty, Set and Define. So I'm not sure if I'll go through this or not. So if I do decide to kind of go through and swatch and use it, I will do a separate video on it. It just looks like, it kind of looks like nice and cheap at the same time. I don't know. So I feel like a lot of this palette, like this box, I was like, because it's supposed to be like premium, where I feel like Morphe's more like something I would expect to get in my regular box. So it's kind of like they are kind of cycling back through, but like I feel like the premium should be like the better products go for this, but it's not always the case. So sometimes like you'll still get it in your regular box, you're just maybe getting more items. So, you know, I feel like I'm not really gonna use these. I will swatch them because, hey, like I think it's funny, like, are people still wearing lipsticks? So they are lipsticks and they're matte, so they shouldn't like move around as much. So I have Here to Slay. I love makeup puns. I think that one's just gonna go best with my no makeup look. So you have a red one. So I will swatch this because I'll just end up giving it to my Nana because she does like red. Yeah. It has that slight like lipstick smell, but not bad. You have Sunset Boulevard. It would kind of go with my nails, that color. Which is a nice kind of mauve. A little bit more pinky. But they apply, like that one applies better. The red I had to kind of warm up a little. And then Full House. So it's that darker color. I was gonna go with that, but like I wish like it did have the sticker. I'm like the sticker on there versus what it is there. It's definitely a lot lighter. So I do think I'll go in with Sunset Boulevard. to try on my lips. I am just so much more tan than I normally am. I feel like some things just don't work as well. Do you think I'm just gonna switch over to the red? And some people out there are probably like, you still have lipstick underneath. But I think like it's a nice formula. I don't really find it gliding everywhere. Easy to apply. I was just fine with lipstick. Do a little press off to help with things. Let me get an actual mirror to make sure. So not a bad product, something that like I wouldn't really pick out for myself, because I don't really like cream lipsticks, but I do think like a lipstick is something easy to throw on. So if you're like, I want to do some makeup, I just don't want to look like I have no makeup on, like a lipstick is something that can really go a long way just to make you feel a little fresh. I don't know about this color on me. When I have a tan, it kind of throws things off. When I'm paler, I think it would look nicer. And then my hair's just bummy. I'm just struggling at life. Regardless. I definitely think hair is something that can just like make things feel better or feel worse. And right now it's making me feel worse because I have some hair damage going on. It's because I abuse my hair. But getting into my next product is from Laura Geller, New York. It is their line in Define. Ooh. So you have a platinum. Like, I don't think anyone should be doing like silver. I feel like this is really like a product. That like maybe like New Year's, not really a July product. And then a chunky liner. I don't mind it necessarily because I think it would be nice to just kind of do a wing with. That's like my goal, is to get a perfect wing liner. So I do like the shape of this, but I do just find it's a little on the dry side. I don't like the silver. Why? Like if it was a champagne, it'd be so much nicer because then you can kind of do like a wing look, put a little champagne-y color, I think would be more universally nice. I did get from, oh my god, Biro. I was like, it's a weird little E. Their bitter green essence toner. It does seem like thick for a toner, not kind of that thin formula. So I'll give this a try, and I'll try it out for a week because I feel like toners are something that I don't use regularly enough, but I do notice like a difference when I'm using it. It does really help to just kind of close your pores and things like that. From Chikosi? No. See, I hate names of things, but I have a cuticle oil from Chuko. Be like, oh, milk and honey. So you get 75 milliliters of my toner. I have 150, so I feel like that's a fair size. I do think cuticle oil is really nice. I definitely need to get my life together a little bit and be able to go get a pedicure and just even like just a manicure just to help reset. Because you're like, it's the end of the world. Who cares what something looks like? But I think it's nice product. A little definitely goes a long way. It doesn't feel too like over oily. You know, some like it feels like a nice thin oil. It has just a nice smell to it. So I definitely like, because I feel like I haven't gotten really a lot of nail products. So I'm happy to get that. So kind of going through my list. So my Morphe palette is kind of retailed at $20. My toner is at $95. Don't spend $95 on a toner. Spend $5 on witch hazel. Is my never spend anything over $20. Nothing is that amazing out there. My lip trio from Foley Fire of my lipsticks is $40. So considering you're getting like 3, I don't think that is that bad of a price. My Laura Geller is $24. So I think like it has the one eyeliner that's nice. If you like to use silvers, like silvers aren't really a color that I use often. So, but like a $24 liner isn't too bad of a price. You can definitely, like, I think eyeliners, especially like those felt tip ones, you can go drugstore and they're just as good. My Kenna Haute Beauty Set and Define Kit was $42. No, like, at least where I am, like, I've never heard of this brand before. So I just feel like, its packaging kind of doesn't seem that great. So no, I don't think you should spend that much, right? Because I just think like, if you want a nice face palette, go with Tarte face palette. I wasn't even a face product person, and I really started to use more of it because of it. Cover FX is another one that I would recommend over, that I think probably cheaper, more well known. Go with that. And then my Cocho Natural Cuticle Oil is $18, kind of up there in price. But let's see. It kind of seems better that it's like natural because it's kind of just like oils in it. Vitamin E. So I think because it's like more natural, that it's up there in price is okay because it doesn't have some harsh chemicals in it. So I feel like that's okay. So definitely getting the box later in the month is hard. So I do apologize for how late the video is coming out. I have been on vacation up in my cottage for the last week, so it probably did come a little bit before the end of the month. But I'm just back in the city now, and now I have to figure out how things match my tan skin. But I can say, if we can just tell like the difference between my arm and my face, sunscreen your face if anything. That will help you a lot of the times. So I do kind of wish they did some more like summer products. Like it would have been nice to kind of get some more of those like sunscreens. Like I wish they did a little bit more seasonal because I just feel like those lipstick colors, maybe the red you can get away with. But like, people aren't really wearing lipsticks because they have to wear masks. Silver doesn't really scream like summer to me. It's more of that like January, February, winter vibes. So I just kind of feel like I wish they did a little bit more seasonal products that you're going to use, because I feel like I wouldn't necessarily use this until, you know, winter time, and that's not necessarily something I want. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day. Bye.